everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. Today is Monday, September the 22nd of 2025, and I am here with our Walmart couponing deals to kick off our new week, and it's actually really good over at Walmart. We have a lot of new deals since my last video about Walmart, so I'm really excited, and it's just going to be awesome. Such a great video. 3 hot new freebie or moneymaker deals. It is going to be incredible, so I hope y'all are super excited. I hope you are as well. So anyways, I do want to say, we actually have some deals that we're going to be utilizing the Walmart cash rebate kind of system that's in the Walmart app or on walmart.com. I do have a video that is a tutorial kind of showing like how to use it and stuff and how it all works. I do have that in the description box below, so if you're not familiar with Walmart cash and you want to do some of these deals, you definitely should check that out, because unlike the majority of the time, a lot of times we will have the same rebates on, actually 99% of the time, we have the same rebates on Walmart Cash and Ibotta, but there are actually some that are only on Walmart Cash this go around, which is interesting. So I want to make sure that y'all know how to use that so you can get in on these really good deals. So I will have a link for that video in the description box below, along with links to the free manufacturers rebates, because we got a couple of those. So I'll have all that down below. Also, printable breakdown is in the description box below as well, so if you want to print it out, bring it with you in the store, or if you're on your phone, you can do that. Please actually watch the video. That is what helps me out, unless we continue to bring these videos week after week. But I do that down below so you don't have to hammer everything out, unless of course you want to, which is cool as well. And then also, if you're not already signed up for the rebate apps, I have all my referral codes down below for the apps that I have referral codes for at the moment. So anyways, a lot of stuff going on in the description box down below. But anyways, without further ado, let's just dive right into our Walmart deals for this new week. Oh my goodness, we have such an awesome moneymaker deal to start us out on this muscle milk. Shout out to Sister Saving You Cents for the heads up. So the muscle milk shakes at Walmart, they have them as low as $2.98. Aisle has a super awesome rebate to get $5 back for like any muscle milk product at participating stores, but Walmart is a participating store, so you're going to get that back. It's going to make it totally free plus a 202 moneymaker, which is epic. So an awesome deal. Alright, so an awesome moneymaker here on the Airwick. The essential starter kits here comes with a warmer and a refill, so they are $3.78 over here at Walmart. We do have a $3 rebate on Ibotta. It is set to go away like really soon, so you gotta act fast. But we have a $3 rebate on Ibotta, which is already great. But then there is a shop kick that popped up. It is for 310 kicks. You can buy it in scans, which is $1.24, so it makes it free plus a 46-cent moneymaker. So an awesome deal for the Airwick. Alright, so I've never tried these before, so I'm a little nervous, but they're free, so we're going to give them a try on the Zolly Pops here. So, Walmart has these for $6.47. We have it totally free. Just get it for free. Manufacturer's rebate through WeStock. I'll have a link in the description box. So after that rebate, you're just going to get these for totally free. So a really awesome deal for these Zolly Pops. Alright, so we have such an awesome deal on these Dave's Killer Bread snack bites at Walmart. Heads up, these are actually with like the breakfast and stuff. So they're $4.97. We have a super awesome rebate on Ibotta. If you still have it, it's for $4 back. So go ahead and do that. And then there is a 25% back fetch rebate. Basically, for every dollar you spend, you get 25 cents. So you're going to get back from that. So the fetch rebate is going to end up giving you back 88 cents. 1,240 points, assuming you use your points for a $5 Walmart gift card. So after that, it just makes it 6 cents. So a pretty great deal if you want these. Oh my goodness, we have some crazy deals today on laundry products that are actually even better than we expected. So this is awesome. And unfortunately, my store is like out of them. So boo, but it's an awesome deal. So first up here, we have the Downy Unstoppables. So they had the 5.9 ounce of the toasted vanilla for $3.50. There was a super awesome rebate on Walmart Cash. So Walmart Cash actually has $2.50 back. So it's going to end up making that $1, which is incredible. And then the Rinse and Refresh, which it looks like there are a lot of those too. They had the Tide one for $3, and they had the Downy Rinse for $3.50. And I know for a fact there's a $2.50 Walmart Cash for the Downy Rinse and Refresh. So it ends up making that $1. So incredible deals for the Downy. Alright, so a pretty good deal here on the Hot Wheels. This is the 80th anniversary. This is pretty cool. They're having an 80th anniversary. It's the 80th anniversary of Mattel, and they have 80th anniversary celebratory products, so that's pretty cool. But they have the Hot Wheels, the 80th anniversary one. This is $1.24, and there is a rebate on Ibotta for 50 cents back, so just ended up making this 74 cents. So a pretty good deal for the Hot Wheels. Alright, so pretty good deal here on the Simply Organic mild taco seasoning mix, mild chili seasoning mix. I believe there's a fajita one too. It must be on a different aisle. But anyways, they're $1.67 over here at Walmart. We have a super awesome rebate on Shopkick. Super high value. It is for 200 kicks actually between Bite and Scans, which was 80 cents back. So we'll just make these packets of the organic seasoning 87 cents. So pretty good if you want those. Alright, so a really nice deal here for Febreze, the fall Febreze. They're $3.24 over here at Walmart. We have a really nice rebate over on Walmart Cash for $2 back. So after that, it makes them $1.24 each, which is really good, and it'll get your house smelling all nice and fall-like. So awesome. Alright, so if you can actually find these at your store, unfortunately, I'm not seeing them today, but it's on the Del Monte Escapes. So the Del Monte fruit cups, the Escape variety, they're like different flavored varieties. They're $3.27 at Walmart. There is a super high value Ibotta offer for $1.50 back. And then we have a fetch offer for 700 points, which is about 50 cents, assuming you use your points for a $5 Walmart gift card. So it makes it $1.27. So a really nice deal. Alright, so not a shabby deal here on the 7th generation dish soap. These are $3.53 over here at Walmart. We do have a really nice rebate over on Ibotta. It is for $2 back. So after that rebate, it just makes them $1.53. So not a bad deal. Pretty good deal for these. Alright, so we have a really great deal here on these Nature's Garden probiotic yogi things. So these are $6.48 at Walmart. We have a super high value rebate on Shopkick. This is 815 kicks between Buy and Scans. This is $3.26 back. And then Ibotta has $1.25 back still. So it makes these $1.97. These actually look pretty good. So if you guys have tried them, let me know. But a really nice. Alright, so this deal for the Mamba fruit chews got even better. They're $1.98 at Walmart. We have an awesome rebate over on Shopkick right now. It is for $1.64 back, 410 kicks between Bite and Scan. So it makes it 34 cents, which is awesome. Now, if you can find some other varieties, there are multiple varieties. If you get, there's rebates for the other varieties too. If you can find those, you can get even more. But such a great deal for these. Oh my goodness, we have such a deal today on the Sara Lee, the Maple Honey Turkey Breast. This is incredible. So, at Walmart, these guys cost $6.54 a pound. Make sure you get at least a pound. It can't be 0.99 pounds. It has to be a pound or over. So, it is $6.54. We have a super high value rebate on Swag Bucks for $6 back when you buy a pound. So, it's going to make it 54 cents. 54 cents. That is such a great. Alright, so got a really nice deal here on the Jimmy Dean chicken buttermilk biscuit sandwiches. They're $5.22 over here at Walmart. We do have an awesome rebate on Swag Bucks. It's for $6.50 back if you buy two. So buy two of them, get the $6.50 back. It's going to end up making it $3.94 for 2 packs, which is cheaper than this 4 count of the chicken honey biscuits. So a really nice deal for the chicken buttermilk biscuits. Here at Walmart on the 7 count Mucinex. They are $7.97. We have a rebate over on Shopkick that has now gone up to $5.44 back, 1,360 kicks between Bite and Scans, making it $2.53, which compare that to the great value, it's $8.92 for 14. So getting 2 of these would be significantly cheaper than getting the Equate brand. So an awesome deal. Right, that is all that I have for this Walmart deals video. I really hope you all did enjoy. These deals are amazing. So much great stuff going on at Walmart this week. And yeah, that's all I got. Hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.